We'll guide you through how to resolve color issues in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and make sure you're in the color page, which is where the magic happens. You'll see your video in the viewer, and below that, the color wheels panel. This is where you can adjust your colors. Start by using the color wheels to correct primary color balance. You'll have 4 wheels: lift, gamma, gain, and offset. Each one affects different parts of the image. Lift adjusts the shadows, gamma modifies the midtones, and gain brightens the highlights. Offset will adjust the entire image's color balance. Move these wheels until the image looks natural and balanced. Next, head over to the Scopes panel. It's essential for checking your adjustments. Use the waveform scope to ensure your brightness levels are correct, making sure nothing is too bright or too dark. You want your image to have a good contrast without losing detail in the shadows or highlights. Then, use the vector scope to check skin tones. There is a skin tone line that you can use to ensure that skin colors look realistic. If the colors look off, adjust them using the hue versus hue or hue versus sat curve tools. These will allow you to fine-tune specific colors without affecting the rest of the image. Now that your primary corrections are done, you can move on to secondary corrections. Use Power Windows and the Qualifier tool to isolate specific areas of your image that need more work. Maybe a part of the image is too warm or too cool. You can adjust this without affecting the rest of the image. Finally, don't forget to add a LUT if you want to apply a specific look or style to your footage. DaVinci Resolve comes with several built-in LUTs, but you can also import your own. Always remember to play back your footage to ensure everything looks right. Color correction is both an art and a science, so take your time and trust your eyes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.